interior is kind of ass, but we don't speak on that. We do not speak on that shit. Here's my engine bay. I'm about to show you how to change that thing right there. That jump. The tensioner. Because my jump is fucked up. Look. It should be pretty easy if nothing else fucking breaks. Wait, should I be cursing, bro? I don't know. But that's besides the point. But yeah, so got the tools right here. I got the new shit right here. But I gotta stop cursing. Right here. So this is good. This jump spins. I mean, that one spins too, but forcefully it spins. Like, you gotta put pressure on that jump. But yeah, it looks the same. Well, kind of the same. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to take that joint off. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna get a 3/8 ratchet and then put it in here, and then the belt should come off like that. And then you release it, and now it's off. Oh shit, I dropped the wrench. Alright, so we're gonna take this ball off, and it's a 10mm. Then we go loosen it. Okay. And it should just come off. This long ass bolt. Alright. And your tensioner should come off after a bunch of look at this long ass screw, bro. God damn. Alright, so this is the old one, but just make sure the new one looks alike. Yeah, see, the pulleys are the same size, so I don't think this shit should affect it. Yeah, they're the same, but yeah. So we're about to slap this one on, and hopefully that fixes the squeaking noise. But yeah, and you're gonna use your old bolt because it doesn't come with one. Well, at least mine didn't. But yeah. So before I put the bolt back in, I'm about to put some thread locker in, so this jump won't come loose. Hold on, I'm not trying to get in my car. Oh shit! I put too much. Oh fuck! Now it dripped. Good job. Good job. Then we cut this bitch back on, and then we put it back in. Right, so you have your new tensioner, the not fucked up one, and then there's this thing right here, and I guess it supports it, so it won't fall. So you just put it right there, and you put the bolt where it was. So put the bolt back. Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. And you just keep spinning it. Hand tighten it from there, just with the hold. All right, then just go drive it in with the ratchet. Make sure it's torque to spec. I don't do that. I just give it a good, nice little snug, and I call it a day. Then you want to put your belt back on, so hopefully you have good memory. I don't, but I mean. Alright, so this goes there, this goes here. Yeah, this one goes over here like this. This one goes in here. Hopefully you guys don't got fat ass hands like me. My hands are fat as shit. Okay, now it's on. Okay. Oh, we're good. We're chilling. So then you grab your ratchet again, put it back in the hole, then you put some tension on it. Then slap your belt back on. Make sure everything's good. And then let it go, and then it should, just like that. So everything should be on. Yep, everything's on. And now we start the car, and it should work. Alright, so as you guys can see, when I turn on the car, it still squeaked. But the issue is this idler pulley right here. If you listen closely, it grinds. And there's burn marks on it. So I'm guessing it's this, so I'm about to go get that at Advance. And then we had to take this joint off. I mean, it's one bolt, but I'm gonna still show y'all. Alright, so I got the tensioner right here. And it's just one bolt, bro, so it ain't that hard. Or it shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, so this shit should fix the issue. Hopefully it don't whine anymore, because that joint's annoying. You're gonna want to take your belt off once again. Alright, so you just... God damn. That was pretty tight. But... Alright, so you just take this shit off. So you just take this bolt off. It's long as bolt again. This one's not that long. And this shit. So here's this one. See, it has burnt spots. But yeah, so now we're about to put the new one on. So you grab your new pulley and you put it on. And then on the bolt, you want to put some thread locker again. You don't want this joint coming off. And you just put the bolt back in and you tighten it. Like that, and you grab your wrench again, and then you put your belt back on, like that. Now this thing is fucking hot. Fuck. Whoops. Let's make sure your belt's back on correctly everywhere. It should be good. Good to go. Once your belt's back on, you just start the vehicle.
Can I turn on?
Huh?
Can I turn on?
Hold on. This one's too far. There. And hopefully it doesn't fucking squeak this time. Now turn it on. Now there's no squeak, so that's good. Now there's no squeak. So that fixed my squeaking issue. Alright, so that's how you change your tensioner and your idler pulley on a 9904 Mustang GT. But yeah, my joint was making some squeaky ass noise and I didn't like it, so I had to fix it. Thought it was my tensioner. I mean, my tensioner was fucked up. Like I said, when I wiggled it, that joint had a massive play. But now it don't squeak. So we're good to go.